In this video, I am going to show you how to get kills in Kingshot. So this should be a quick and easy process video. These are Kingshot's advanced tips and tricks to progress and get kills and get stronger. So the first tip is to focus on upgrading the town center first. After that, keep upgrading your heroes. One of the more underlying gameplay mechanics in Kingshot is in fact has many RPG heroes. Focus on completing the growth missions, and then after that tip 4 is push further in separate stages, and tip 5 is engage in events to get more resources, in fact to get more kills and to upgrade your characters and progress efficiently. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.